Jamaican man gets over 11 years in US for trafficking 16-year-old girl for sex. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A Jamaican man who reportedly conspired with another man to traffic a 16-year-old girl for commercial sex activities in the United States was on Thursday sentenced to more than 11 years in federal prison, according to the U.S. Department of Justice. He has been identified as 24-year-old Joel Lindsay, otherwise called Joey, whose most recent address was East Hartford, Connecticut. He was sentenced to a total of 11 years and 3 months behind bars by District Judge Vanessa L. Bryant in Hartford. Lindsay was convicted for his role in a plot to traffic a 16-year-old girl in October 2019, according to federal officials. He faces deportation to Jamaica on completion of his sentence. Officials said that Lindsay, Joseph Pina, and another person picked up the victim on October 17, 2019 to transport her to East Windsor Hotel. They said Lindsay and Pina took expletive photos of the child to advertise her for sexual services on a website. Prostitution appointments scheduled by the two men for that night brought in at least $100 according to officials. In ensuing 3 days, Lindsay and Pina posted additional advertisement on the other websites and set up additional appointments at the Windsor Locks Hotel. Officials said that the victim turned all the money over from the appointments over to Lindsay. Lindsay, who has been detained since his arrest on August 20, 2020, pleaded guilty to sex trafficking of a minor on October 15 last year, while Pina pleaded guilty to conspiracy to commit sex trafficking of a minor on October 6, 2021. Pina was sentenced in March to 96 months or 8 years in prison, followed by a 5-year supervised release. Investigators with the FBI also found that Lindsay and Pina engaged in sexual acts with the victim, despite knowing that she was a minor, according to official report. The victim also reported that Lindsay physically assaulted her on numerous occasions. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.